Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, you will learn how to add an extra layer of security to your WordPress login process by requiring a two-factor authentication, a one-time password, in order to log in. This is very similar to what we did in the hosting account section, where we added a OTP, a two-factor authentication, in order to log in to our hosting account. Before we get into the technical process, I would like to remind you that you should always use an app in order to generate the one-time password and not to receive the one-time password, the one-time login key, to your email. So I'm already logged in to my WordPress admin dashboard and I'm at the plugin section. The first thing will be to click on the Add New in order to search and install the new plugin. In this search box, I will type two-factor authentication. And the first plugin that is shown, the one with the lock sign, is the one that we will actually install and use. The reason that I like this plugin more than other one-time passwords manager plugins is that it has two versions. The free version allows you to manage only one user, which is usually the admin user of your site. So you can enforce one-time password to that user and also manage the QR codes, recovery codes, and so on. The premium version of the plugin allows you to manage all the users on your site from one central single place. So if you have a membership site or a site that has multiple users, you can install the premium version. You need to purchase it, and then you can require all your users to have one-time password, not only the administrators, and you can centrally manage them, recover codes, reset passwords, and so on. But for the purpose of this course, the free version is enough, and we will install and configure it right now. So as we've already done in this course, in order to install the plugin, you just need to click on Install Now, and as soon as the Install button is switched to Activate, click on Activate. And once the plugin has been successfully activated, you can see the option saying User Settings. Let's click on that. And this is the User Settings page, where we will enable, by clicking on the Enable Radio button here, the two-factor authentication login process. And also we have the QR code in order to scan it with the app. And also we have the QR code in order to scan it with the app. So let's do that right now. We'll open the app and I will choose to add a new site by scanning a QR code. Now I will add the QR code, I will scan it, and I will add it to my password manager. All I have to do now is to click on Save Changes. And we're done. The next time I will log in, I will be asked to enter the second password as well. Let's test that right now. I will log out and I will click on Log In. And as you can see, I am now required actually to enter the one-time password in order to complete the login process. So I will go to my app, copy the one-time password and paste it in the correct place and click on Login. And that's it. By following the instructions in this lecture, you have successfully configured a two-factor authentication process to your WordPress site. In the next lecture, you will learn how to add security measures to your comments form so your site won't be spammed. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture.